Breaking fresh ground on just 1/3 of an acre doesn't sound like that big of a job, but for a little tractor and a little garden plow that's not really designed for cutting sod, it's a tough job, but it's a job that I needed to get done. Hey folks, welcome back to Abundant Life Homestead. It's hard to tell from there, but I recently plowed this area of the south pasture behind me. I started it with the farmall, but the farmall broke down and I really needed to get it done before the worst of the spring rains came. With no time to waste, we went with what we had. We got the Kubota B7100 out. We got the Brinly 12-inch garden plow out. Now that plow is designed for turning over garden soil that's been tilled in the past. It is terrible at cutting sod. It cuts a very narrow furrow. The job took a long time, but the Kubota pulled through. We got it done. And in getting the job done, I ended up with a ton of footage. And although I know some viewers would appreciate seeing all the footage, all the plowing, others would appreciate more having a highlights reel of the day. And that's what I'm bringing you today, a shorter cut of the tractor and the plow doing its job. And if that satisfies your needs, that's great. But if that leaves you wanting more, don't worry. The next video to be published is a longer, extended version of all the plowing. And if you're a channel member at Homestead supporter or above, then you already know this because you already have access to both of these videos. Either way, there's more to come. So sit back and I hope you enjoy the ride. Here it is. Just what I've uncovered so far is, about 2 foot long